Hello everyone and welcome back to Nine Nails Garage. Today we're going to be testing another car soap, Adams Polishes Graphene Shampoo. So real quick, from the label on the soap, this soap says that it contains graphene ceramic resins, helps maintain and revitalize graphene and ceramic coatings, and easily removes road grime. Unlike the other three car washes we recently tested, this soap does not claim to add any hydrophobic properties or water beading properties to your vehicle's paint. It is strictly for maintaining your ceramic or graphene coating. So somebody recently commented on my Armor All Extreme Shield ceramic car wash video, and they said to give this soap a try. So here we are, we're gonna go test it out. Now the car we're gonna be washing today, again, is my 2011 VW GTI. And as you can see, it is a little dirty because I have been getting comments that there is no dirt in the videos or the vehicles are too clean. So this car has been driven for about a week. It's been kept outside, hasn't been garage kept. And as you can see, it is a little bit dirty. It's been through some puddles, been in the rain, and been down a gravel road. So it should make a great candidate to test this soap out. So today we're gonna be washing the car and testing the soap with my AR Blue 630 TSS hot pressure washer. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. We're also gonna be using our Vivid 9 foam cannon. I'll leave the link for that in the description down below. So first we're gonna fill up our foam cannon with about 2 to 3 ounces of shampoo. And then we'll put a little bit in our rinse bucket. Now right away, the soap has pretty good lubricity. I only put about a 1/4 ounce in the wash bucket. It's more of a rinse bucket, but yeah, I just want to add a little bit of soap to it, and it does have a very nice citrus smell to it. So again, not sure if you're into that, but that's what it smells like. So there you have it. We washed the car and it turned out nice. However, right at about $16 a bottle, I don't know that I'd buy the soap again. Maybe if you had a really nice ceramic coat on your car and you wanted a soap that wasn't really going to affect it, yeah, that would probably be it. But other options for $16, I know I can buy a gallon of Chemical Guy Snow Foam for right around $20 when it goes on sale on Amazon. Or I can buy the Armor All Extreme Shield Ceramic Car Wash for right around 11 bucks. So my preference in car washes thus far is the Armor All Extreme Shield Ceramic Car Wash, right at 11 bucks. I don't think you can beat it. If you haven't seen my other car wash videos, go ahead and check them out. They're all on my channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.